everybody, my name is Cassie Bruin and this is my Weebly webpage. I made my webpage specifically as a online portfolio for potential employers to come and visit to learn a little bit more about me, specifically for health education with this website. So here we have on my opening page my welcome statement and a quick web introductory video that overviews some of the stuff that will be seen in my website. I just want to do something a little bit different that wasn't required, that kind of captures your attention when you first visit my webpage. My layout of my website, I wanted it to be clean and simple. I didn't want a lot of different unnecessary pictures and flashy animations. I really just wanted to highlight my work and the different things that I can provide and bring to the table to a potential employer. Which brings me to my second tab, is my teaching philosophy. I think this is a very important thing to have right up front for employers to see. That's why I set it as my second tab. My third tab is teacher resources. So a lot of these are examples and different things that we have done throughout this course. I have put together a little slideshow that highlights a lot of the different web resources that I would want to utilize in my future health education classroom or setting, different things that the teacher or students can use. And with the slideshow, you can click on your way through or automatically plays through. And at the bottom, you can see I gave a brief description of the website, what the goal is for that website to accomplish, specifically for me in a health education setting. And what I really like about this is that you can just click on the image of the website and it'll bring you right to my page that I have created, which is explained above for employers or anybody else visiting my webpage, that you can just go through, and embedded is the link to the website. You click on it and it brings you right to my page to interact with. And scrolling a little bit further down, I also provided a document with various links and resources that I have accumulated over my time in the master's program and also as a professional in a school setting, different things that I have found useful when teaching students on various topics in the health education field. And this is something that I am continuing to add to actively as I continue through this program and as a professional. My next tab, I have screencasts. These are some of the screencasts and podcasts that we have done throughout this course. Again, I wanted to keep things very clean and simple, easy to navigate and understand, because, again, I wanted to highlight all the different things I've mastered throughout this course. And I wanted to, throughout this course, when we did these assignments, make sure that I was making my screencasts for specific topics that I would implement in a health education lesson or unit, or different ways that I would have students use these tools. My next tab is sample lesson plans. And again, this is stuff that I have developed throughout my time in the master's program. These are different lesson plans that actually coordinate with some of the screencasts and different tools that we have learned and mastered throughout this course. So you can see a running thread through my tabs and my content that I am posting and highlighting for potential employers. Second to last, I have my resume to also highlight things such as me being a coach in 2 sports. I'm a strength and conditioning coach, so all the other things that I have to bring to the table that might set me apart from others. And finally, I have my contact tab. I have provided my primary email and my work email. I did not provide my phone number for safety reasons, but obviously if I did receive an email from a potential employer, I would provide that information. And that is it. Hopefully I can use this website in the future to help me land my first health education position. Thank you for watching.